Hi guys, Stu here from Analog X. I'm going to show you a quick way to double check if you have any wet dry phasing issues with Genesis. I'm going to show you quickly how to check and fix that on your system if it is a problem for you. So all I'm going to do is add a program called Berton, I can spell it right. This is an EQ curve analyzer, and this is donationware. I'm just going to put that before the Genesis plugin, and then I'm going to load in another version of the EQ curve analyzer from Berton, and then what we're going to do is go to Genesis, and I'm going to keep that out here so we can see it, and then just go back to the plugin version that is after Genesis, and it will automatically set 1 to being the generator, and it will also set 1 to being the receiver. And all we need to do to find the correct dry wet latency, let's say for this particular profile here, is all we need to do is hit the phase button in here and then hit the suggest button here, and there it tells me that there is 1 sample of latency. Okay, so therefore if I go to this profile now, all I need to do is edit the profile, which is if we just go into here and then we go into here and then we just search for this profile because I can't remember the name, so KNIF. So if we just go in here, you probably know where your profiles are better than I do because I've got so many of them. So if I just search KNIF in here, and then we can see actually if we go into here, it's this pure mu slow O1 left, pure mu slow O1 left, and then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to edit this particular profile. I'm going to add the D1 because there's 1 sample of latency. If that was 7, I would add a 7. Depending on what the Berton plugin's telling me. I'm going to put a D1 in there, and then when I load up this now, this will be perfectly in phase. Okay, so you will find that, for example, if you're working at 44.1 or 96, then the sample latency may be slightly different. So you just need to check that, and then that should give you a perfect wet dry phase aligned signal. That's it guys, I hope that helps, and like I say, the majority of profiles, the D1 suffix works perfectly well at 48k, but if you do have any problems with the wet dry, that is the quick simple way. It takes 10 seconds to see what the latency should be, and then just add the D, the small letter D, and the number of latency in samples onto the end of the file, and that's pretty much you done.